Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. So ang topic natin today is how to vlog with the phone. Kung nag-start ka pa lang ngayon at gusto mong mag-YouTube and wala kang camera and you're feeling down na hindi mo maumpisan yung YouTube channel mo, don't worry kasi most of YouTubers right now is using their phones para mag-start ng YouTube channel nila. Kaya for today, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 tips on how to shoot a vlog using your phone right now. Even yung gamit nyo ngayon sa panonood ng video na to. So wag na natin pahabain pa, let's roll that intro! Once again, this is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. So last time may nagsabi sa akin kung pwede ba daw akong gumawa ng video kung paano mag-shoot ng vlog nila using their phone. So ngayon, eto na nga, gagawin na natin since syempre malakas kayo sa akin. Kaya kung meron kayong gustong video or gustong matutunan, just comment down below and or DM me through Instagram or Facebook. Try natin gawan ng video yung mga gusto nyong matutunan. Kung gusto nyo talaga malaman to, tapusin nyo tong video na to and malaking maitutulong ng video na to sa inyo, lalo na kung nag-start kayo. So for tip number 1, let's talk about pre-shooting or before kayo mag-shoot. Ano ba yung mga kailangan nyong gawin before kayo mag-shoot or ano ba yung mga kailangan nyong i-check before kayo mag-shoot? So unang-una, check nyo muna yung memory nyo kasi baka puno na yung memory nyo and habang nagre-record kayo, hindi pa kayo tapos mag-shoot, napuno na yung video or napuno na yung phone nyo at wala na, hindi na kayo makakapag-shoot. First of all, check our memory kung kaya pa mag-shoot ng video. Second is battery. So we don't want na ma-interrupt yung video shooting natin kasi syempre nandun na tayo sa momentum di ba? So make sure na yung battery natin sa phone ay fully charged. Especially kung ngayon pandemic, nasa bahay lang naman tayo. So before you start shooting, just check your phone kung fully charged siya. And yun, start shooting. So, third na kailangan nyo i-check is kung malinis ba yung lens ng camera nyo. Linisin nyo lang yung lens ng phone ng camera nyo before kayo mag-start para hindi naman siya blurry or hindi siya foggy pag tinignan. So, that's all for the pre-shooting part. So, before kayo mag-shoot, kailangan nyo i-check yung memory, battery, and kung malinis ba yung lens ng camera ng phone nyo. So for tip number 2, punta naman tayo sa lighting. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-importanting kailangan nyo i-consider when shooting your vlog using your phone. So first of all, kailangan maganda yung lighting nyo. Paano ba? Kailangan nyo ba bumili ng ring light or kailangan nyo ba bumili ng expensive lights? No. Humanap lang kayo ng place sa bahay nyo na malapit sa window and yun, doon kayo humarap tapos doon kayo mag-shoot ng vlog nyo. Kunwari, ito yung bintana ko. So, dapat ganito kayo mag-vlog. Nasa harapan nyo yung araw and that's it. Kahit wala kayong ilaw na maganda and magiging maganda pa rin yung quality ng video nyo. Or just buy a cheap ring light. Ilalagay ko yung video ko about the Lazada cheap ring light. You might want to check that video. So, less than 500 lang yon. At yun, pwede nyo gamitin yon. Another one for lighting is, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag nagsushoot kayo, di ba minsan pag natapat kayo sa sunlight, tapos biglang nawala yung sunlight, biglang nagbabago yung exposure. So, I downloaded this app called Open Camera sa Play Store, which is sa kaalaman nyo lahat ay Android user po ako. Bakit ko siya din-download? Kasi yung app na to, meron siyang exposure lock. Meron siyang exposure lock sa upper left corner ng phone nyo. I-click nyo lang yon para kahit saan kayo gumalaw, hindi magbabago yung exposure nyo. Naranasan nyo na ba yun yung biglang nagdidim yung phone nyo? Ay, biglang nagdidim yung exposure ng camera nyo, tas biglang kayo didilim, tas biglang liliwanag. So we don't want that artifact sa video natin. So, just click that exposure lock and it's good to go na. So right now, tinetest natin yung front camera ng ating phone. And kung mapapansin nyo, kung hindi pa siya naka-exposure lock kapag medyo tinakpan ko yung bandang part dito, yan, nagdidim siya. So yan yung kailangan natin i-prevent. Check natin yung rear camera. So gamit nga natin ngayon yung rear camera ng phone natin and kung mapapansin nyo, iba talaga yung quality niya compare sa front camera natin. And right now, nakaklik yung exposure lock kaya kahit itakpan ko ng ganyan, hindi magbabago yung exposure niya and yun, mawawala yung problem natin na nagdi-dim kahit ayaw nating mag-dim yung exposure. So download this app, Open Camera application sa Play Store. So Android user po ako, and comment down below kung meron din siya for iPhone users. So that's it. Click that exposure lock and there you have it. Lastly, for the lighting, don't shoot against the light. So ito yung magiging itsura ng video nyo kapag nag-shoot kayo against the light. And ayaw natin yung ganitong shot, so just please don't shoot against the light. And kunwari, ito yung bintana nyo. Imagine niyo lang kung ito yung bintana nyo tapos nag-shoot kayo. 'Di ba? Walang makikita sa video nyo or walang makikita sa face nyo. So that's for our lighting. So next, for our tip number 3 is stabilization. So we don't want na nanginginig yung footage natin kapag sinushoot natin. Kasi just imagine this video tas nanginginig siya. 'Di ba distracting panoorin? We want it to be stabilized. Anong kailangan nyo? Kailangan nyo ba bumili ng mahal na tripod like 10,000 pesos? No! I bought this Photo Pro mobile phone tripod, I think. It's SY360 from Vision Marketing for only 595 pesos. Sobrang sulit niya na kasi sturdy, tapos compact for, syempre, phone holder siya or phone tripod siya. And you can place it anywhere. Or, if wala talagang budget at nag-start ka pa lang, just put your phone in a sturdy place like place a book, isandal nyo yung phone nyo doon, you're good to go. Kasi, di ba, we must be resourceful lalo pag nag-start tayo. And kung di nyo maitatanong, doon din naman tayo nag-start lahat. Before ko makuha tong mga equipment na meron ako, doon tayo nag-start. Digicam, phone cameras, and yun, dati nilalapag ko lang yung yung digicam or yung phone ko sa cabinet or something na matibay para doon ako magre-rec. So that's for our tip number 3. Just prevent shooting those nanginginig na footage kasi hindi siya maganda panoorin. Make sure na hindi siya nanginginig. So for our tip number 4, ito yung isa pa sa mga pinaka-importanting i-consider kapag nag-vlog kayo aside from lighting and stabilization, which is yung audio. Kasi isipin nyo kung yung audio nyo mahangin, tapos ang daming ingay, malaki yung chance na mag-exit na lang yung viewers nyo kasi nga distracting or minsan sobrang lakas or minsan sobrang hina naman. So we don't want that. So having a good audio is best for your video. Meron akong video na ginawa about how to get a good sounding audio. So ilalagay ko lang yan dito and pwede nyo panoorin later. So kung phone yung gamit nyo for your vlogging, pwede nyo gamitin yon. Then pwede kayo kumuha na isa pang phone for your audio. Then doon yung i-record. Pero since phone naman yung gamit nyo, pwede nyo ilapit yung phone nyo sa sarili nyo. Tapos yun, okay naman na yung audio nun. And basically, kailangan nyo lang mag-record, patayin nyo lang yung fan, yun lang. Kailangan nyo patayin yung fan, patayin yung mga other noises, and make sure na malapit kayo sa phone para clear yung audio na makukuha ng phone. For the audio, just use your phone or just use external mic like this one or other mic like H1N from Zoom. Basta panoorin nyo lang yung video na ginawa ko last time on how to get a good sounding audio. And lastly, for tip number 5 is yung shooting na mismo. Ano ba yung mga kailangan natin kapag mag-shoot na tayo? So use your rear camera rather than the front-facing cam. Bakit? Oo, kita nyo yung sarili nyo kapag front-facing cam. Pero, first of all, ang awkward kasi nakatingin kayo dun sa sarili nyo rather than dun sa lens ng front camera nyo. And second, hindi ganun kaganda yung quality ng front camera natin compared dun sa rear camera natin. So, practice using your rear camera. Paano yun, Jeff? Kasi mag-isa lang ako nag-shoot. Shoot first in selfie mode, then flip your phone. Pag sinut nyo ng selfie mode muna, at least nakita nyo itsura nyo before nyo gamitin yung rear cam. Since yun din naman yung framing nun. Last but not the least for this tip, number 5 is, since sa YouTube tayo nag-upload and lahat ng video dito is in landscape mode, just please use landscape rather than portrait mode kasi we don't want magkaroon ng black bars dito. So there you have it, guys. I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and ma-apply nyo sa next shoot nyo ng vlog nyo. And if nagbabalak kayong mag-start pa lang ng YouTube channel, just go. Just start shooting. And gears, hindi importante yan sa umpisa. If may budget ka na, go. Just acquire your favorite gear. Pero as of now, if phone camera pa lang yung meron kayo, just start vlogging. And sabi nga natin, hindi naman nagmamatter yung gear. helps us, syempre, for the experience of our viewers. Syempre, maganda rin na maganda yung production quality natin dito sa YouTube, pero content is king pa rin. Just focus on your content and just think of the values na pwede nyo ibigay sa mga subscribers or sa mga nanonood sa inyo. Once again, this is Jeff Geronimo, and if you have any requests, tutorials, for photography, videography, and editing, just comment down below. And if you find this video helpful for you, just click that like button. And if gusto mo pang matuto ng iba pang photography, videography, and editing tips and tutorials or live stream, just click that subscribe and bell button now. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.